Alright, we're playing Scary Baboon, but we're doing a monkey marathon.
You know something cool?
What?
I got soda!
I steal your soda.
Come on, you big flop!
Oh shit! Come on, bro. We need to find more stuff. I'm gonna show you where canned beans are, bro. Come here. Canned beans. Kind of beans is crazy.
Run!
Oh shit! Titus! Get this! What the? Bro. Get in here! Just in case. Oh shit! Alright, be careful. These baked beans. You can only get this one. This one, I don't know why you can't get that one. It's right here. You don't have it.
I have it.
You're black. Alright, beans.
Ow! Oh, it's not black.
I think Dylan died.
I think he just.
Oh shit! Seriously, dude? Beans! I got the beans. These baked beans. No, I'm done. I'm done. Hey! Let's fly. Come here. Oh shit!
Hey, you know you can go outside. You know we can.
Skip it! I could touch grass! Finally!
Go to that one.
Come. Basketball ball! Open the door! I can't do this. I can't do it. You do it. Hey, we gotta find it. I don't know what the fuck it is, but we gotta find it. Wait, is it? Oh, there's no rooms? No, it's not here. It's it then. Oh! I started lagging! He's coming! Bro, my charger fell out! Where is it? Come on, we gotta go in!
Leave me.
Nah! Oh, cheeseburger. I'll give you $3 tomorrow. Come on! Dennis! Where am I? I'm going deeper. go! I'm him! I'm him! I'm him! That was the latest hack.
Redo that. To me and
Michael,
my family,
Michael.
bro.
Shut up!
Without you. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks for not letting me die, bro. I really appreciate it. No.
Okay, look.
Come on, guys. Come on. Monkey marathon.
I know, we're making it hallucinating. Apollo! Let me finish this you. Oh, blue! Wait, which way is it? Oh, where am I going? To the Skippity Autism. He's trying to escape! No escape! No escape!
Leave it.
No escape! No escape! Where did he go? Oh, no escape!
Shut up, bro.
Me!
Help! Help me! Shut the fuck up, weekly! Go, Icy! Let go!